Let's recap some of the exciting new features of the Canvas Envision release, starting with document management. To harness the power of the new document management feature, first we start by opening a document and moving to its title frame. Next, we select version history and see the list of versions available for us to click on. New versions are continuously saved to the document as new changes are made via the autosave functionality. If you would like to save a new version manually, you can go up to the File selection and click Save a New Version. To demonstrate this new versioning functionality, we will start by adding 2 objects to this document. Once the objects are added, we can then move to the File menu, select Create a New Version. Once that version is saved, we can visit the list of version history and see that our additional version has been created. Now let's move to the Canvas Envision feature, Markup and Review. Markup and Review allows both editors and reviewers to insert comments surrounding objects contained within the pages. In this instance, we will be commenting on the square inserted here as an object. Here you can see the creator adding additional context to the objects that are contained within the document. Once a comment is recorded, it can also be replied to, as well as a series of other actions. Replies can be edited and deleted as necessary. Additionally, priority can be set to each comment in order of importance. Once the changes have been made, comments can be resolved. Comments can also be sorted on a series of items, such as priority, status, or date created. Now let's talk about the new and improved Canvas Envision document workflow. Touching back on what we saw earlier with the document versioning and control, we can now move the Envision document through a series of options. Once edits are complete on a document, we can select a user to review the changes that have been made. Once a reviewer is assigned, the document moves into the review stage. From there, the reviewer can come into the document, see the changes, make comments as needed, and once satisfied with the comments and changes, can then move the document to the publish stage. Once a document is published, it can then be opened in either a draft format or in a view-only mode. This is view-only mode. Now let's talk about the new Public Centers Canvas Envision functionality. Public centers allow frontline workers to view documents anonymously. To make a work center public, first we navigate to the work center list, click the Edit button, and then toggle on Public. Now, all documents contained within that work center are publicly consumable. Now, let's discuss the Canvas Envision Media Insert functionality. First, we start by navigating to the Insert ribbon, followed by Insert Multimedia. From there, we can select an MP4 file from our file browser, and then insert it once we've found it. The multimedia object will then upload, where it can be then moved around the Canvas Envision page. There are a series of options within that multimedia object, such as preset aspect ratios, as well as the ability to view the preview of what it will look like in the viewer application. Now, let's talk about the Canvas Envision permanent link sharing functionality. Permanent link sharing allows users to create links to documents that can then be updated later. To create a permanent link, first we enter the name of the link, followed by the center, and the file path where that document exists. Once we select Create Permanent Link, we are redirected to the Links Edit page, where we can then see the QR code as well as make any additional changes required. If you are interested in learning more about the Canvas Envision platform, please contact us today.